Hello, brothers and sisters. Hello, everyone. I want to believe that we are doing well, and I want to welcome you back to this session, which is all about introduction to calendar. Remember, a calendar is a system of organizing days, weeks, or years for social, religious, commercial, or administrative purposes. So there are so many vocabularies we're going to learn, and once we have these vocabularies, we can be able to sign or practice with our friends. So number one, the word calendar itself, you make C, then from here you bring this side. So that's calendar. That's how we sign calendar. The next one in my list is days. You form D. Remember, after having learned this one, you make D. So from here you make it like this. So that's day. So day or days of the week. So we are going to learn about days of the week. But in sign language, you can also sign days of the week using two words. Days, week. Day, week. That means days of the week. So days of the week. So we have, let us start from Monday. So Monday you touch here, this Monday, this is Tuesday, two times, Tuesday. So I've said Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, you make W, then this is Wednesday in a circular way, Wednesday. Thursday, this is Thursday, this is Thursday, this is Thursday. Friday, the way you wash clothes, this Friday. Saturday, you make two I, so this Saturday. Saturday, Sunday, just like that, Sunday. Some people do this Sunday, but this one's the official one, Sunday. But both of them are acceptable. So we have said this is how we sign Monday, this is how we sign Tuesday, this is how we sign Wednesday, this is how we sign Thursday, this is Friday, this is Saturday, and this is Sunday. So those are days of the week. Practice with those ones. The next one is month of the year. How do you sign month? Month. Look at this. So month across, month, this year. So as we signed days of the week, let us also sign month of the year, like that, so that we omit off and the. So we go month of the year. So we start from January up to December. Remember, this is the easiest signs that you will ever learn. So we are going to use numbers, number 1, 2, 3, 4, the way we learned up to 12 to sign month of the year. So January, you just make 1. So we are going to articulate like this. So this is January. February 2, February, like that. March, you make 3. So this March. April, you make 4. So this is April. So we start. So this is January, this is February, this is March, this is April, this is May, you make 5. This is May. June, you make 6. Then you do like that. That's June. July, that's 7. July. So we proceed. August, that's 8. August. That is September, that's 9. September. October. November, like that. November, you see, 10 and 1, November. December, 10 and 2, December, like that. So practice. January, just 1. February, 2, like that. 3 for March, April is 4, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. December can also be signed like this. You make D, then you put it across. So that's December. So December like this, or like that, 12, like that, like that. So that is, we have learned days of the week and month of the year.